The instructor in this video is Mark Y. Calabdan. He graduated at the University of San Carlos as a biologist and is currently finishing his doctorate degree in biology. Sir Mark will be demonstrating on how to prepare the medicinal plant for home remedy use. And the highlights of the video tutorial are as follows.
Our next DOH approved plant is your Akapulko. Okay, this is with the scientific name Cassia alata. Okay, this particular plant is notable for its distinct usefulness in terms of being antifungal. Okay, it is a good remedy against diseases associated with fungal in origin, that are in fungal in origin. Usually this is a topical application plant. Okay, and the preparation for this is simple. It is just a topically administered type of plant. Okay, you get the leaf. Okay, again we're using our homemade or mortar and pestle, and then you simply have to crush them. Okay, so you need a little bit more effort here because, as you can see, the leaf is actually very tough, and again it has somehow a certain degree of waxiness, so dapat din siya bukol. Okay, you will reach a point that the leaves become pasty, but be careful because the leaves at this point is a bit corrosive, so you have to be very careful in the topical administration. So with the crushed tissue or the crushed plant tissue, that's already good for topical administration. So in any areas with fungal infection or fungal discoloration associated with any fungal species that attacks the skin, okay, that infects the skin, you simply have to administer that part on an affected area. Okay, I cannot use myself as a model because the leaves here is a bit corrosive once it is properly extracted, once the juice is out. So you have to be very careful with that. Okay, so but the mere purpose here is to actually crush the leaf tissue and then allow it to be applied now on surfaces that are affected by fungal infection. Okay, so that's how we prepare home remedy for Akapulko, otherwise known as your Cassia alata.